All right, so your topic is describe an occasion when you wasted your time. In actual IELTS test, examiner will not read the topic.
Okay.
Examiner will just quietly give you the paper, cue card, pen and paper, and you got to write notes on that, right? So the topic is describe an occasion when you wasted your time. You should say where you were, past tense, when it was, past tense, what you did, past tense, and explain why you think it was a waste of time. Okay, so please now you can speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes, nobody wants to waste time, but all of us waste time with the passage from time to time. So we decided, friends decided to visit northern areas. We had a plan to see Hunza Valley and Kumrat Valley. We started our journey and we went to Lahore, and there we had a break for some times. We had a dinner there, then we again our journey, and when we reached on motorway, we had an officer who put a challan because our driver was not having driving license, and due to some driver's behavior, we had to go to even jail, and there we we spent a lot of time in releasing our driver, but all went into vain because the officer was very strict. We faced difficulty, and at the end we had to pay a huge amount, and just because of these circumstances we had to face different problems. During this time we remained there for 2-3 days, and it was it was not a good journey for us. I think it was a total waste of time. So yes, sir.
All right, you spoke for 1 minute and 58 seconds, and well, to be very honest, your answer was not organized.
Okay, sir.
Organized means the topic is describe an occasion when you wasted your time. So your focus should have been on how you wasted time. I mean, the whole journey is not important. You could summarize everything, but you could come to the point where police stopped you and how you wasted 5-6 hours, and your main focus should have been there. Where you were, you could mention we were at the police station because we were stopped by motorway police and we didn't have the documents of the car and the driver did not have the license, so they stopped us on motorway and then they took us to check post of motorway police and all that. When it was like this happened last year when I made a plan to go for outing with my, I mean,
Yes,
you know, systematic talk and organized talk. So that's what you were lacking. Okay, so next time whenever you prepare, you need to just see what, because you know, again I tell you, never try to fit everything in one story. Your story should have part 1 where you were, part 2 when it was. So it should not be a continuous story. It should be the chunks. Chunks mean small pieces, exactly, right? And then what you did. Well, actually, we did not do anything. I think my friend violated the speed limit, and when they stopped us, we realized that my friend who was driving, he did not have driving license. So this is actually what we did, and you understand?
Yes, sir, yes.
I mean, you can just imagine a motorway journey and then small parts, and explain why you think it was waste of time. Right now you can explain, well, I believe it was really a waste of time because we were just sitting there and doing nothing, and they were demanding the documents which we did not have, and we did not know what to do, so we had to stay there for 12 hours, right? And just like that. So organize your answer properly, overcome the pauses, and then I found some repetition in the beginning. You use the structure had, quite a lot. Okay, so you should, I mean, not, I mean, you can use had a 1 point, then after few sentences, again you can use had a, but not like in few seconds, you're using we had a dinner, we had a this, we had a that, and all that. And then you said our dinner is not right, it should be some dinner. And then use the word chalan. Instead of chalan, you can say they gave us the ticket.
Okay.
Ticket is appropriate word for that, right? And then you said we spend, it should have been spent. So these type of grammatical mistakes. At present, I'll give you a 5.5, but again, let me tell you, this is only on the basis of this performance. You can perform better and you can get easily 6 to 6.5. As yesterday, your speaking part 1 went very well, right? So don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Just relax, organize your answer. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.